Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Yamin's Beautiful. On today's video we're going to be talking about the top 5 affordable face cream for caramel and dark skin. Yes. So guys, this is Yamin's Beautiful. We're all about skincare. We're all about beauty, DIYs, pro mixing. We also talk about some product review. Okay guys, let me get right into the video. We are going to be talking about the top 5 affordable face cream for caramel and dark skin. Yes guys, if you are just seeing my face for the first time, please do well to hit that subscription button, yes, and the bell icon so that anytime I upload a new video you'll be notified. If you have any questions or comments, drop it in the comment section below. Remember to like and share this video or this content to your friends and family. Okay guys, so face cream. Why is it important to use face cream? Do we really need face cream? Yes. Face cream is important because it keeps your face moisturized. It also helps with the elasticity of your skin, which will helps to get rid of wrinkles, fine lines, and all those other issues. Yes, face cream also acts as barrier to your skin, or is it on your skin? It forms a barrier on your skin. Yeah, we have some face cream that contains SPF, yes, which helps protect your skin from UV or UVA rays and UVB rays. Okay guys, so to the top 5 affordable face cream for caramel and dark skin. The first on my list, very good, will be this Goji berry face cream. Can you guys see that? Goji berry face cream. Yes, that's it. You can see. Is it upside down? Okay, that's this cream. This cream is so good for caramel skin, dark skin. It's not a whitening skin, it's not a lightening, it's just a more or less like a moisturizer, yeah, for your skin. It's very good. It works on, okay, it contains hyaluronic acid, retinols, and organic botanical. It's anti-aging. It's very good. It works on fine lines. It gets rid of wrinkles on your face. It's very good. It's a moisturizing face cream. So this is the first on my list. It's so good. If you can lay your hands on the original, my dear, you will love the way your skin is. That's the first on my list. So the second on my list of the top 5 affordable face cream for caramel and dark skin will be Nature White. I forgot to tell you, okay, you could get this for between 1.5, just take 1.5 to 2,000, or you could get it less, but just know it's from 1,000 up at different locations. Yeah. So then this next one is Nature White. It's so moisturizing. It's nourishing to your skin, your face. Yeah. It contains snail slime. Snail slime is moisturizing to your skin. It protects your skin. It gets rid of blemishes, dark spots, acne, scars. It prevents wrinkle formation. Snail slime is so good on the skin. So this is the second on my list of the top 5 affordable face cream for caramel and dark skin. Yeah, this is really affordable, really affordable. You could get this between, so as I was saying, you could get this between 600 to 1,000. Yes, that's this. It's quite affordable. Yes, that's the second on my list. So the third on my list is another nice face cream, which is the Sword face cream. It's also very moisturizing. If you have sensitive skin, this is for you. It's so moisturizing. It protects your skin. It's the active ingredients here boost skin firmness. So it works on if you have fine lines, wrinkles. This also helps. It's for dark skin. It's not a whitening face cream at all. This is so good for caramel, and you just see your skin glowing. This is so good, so good. salt face cream is 100 mils. So the first on my list of the top 5 affordable face cream for caramel and dark skin would be Cetaphil facial cream. I'm going to put that picture here so that you see it. Yeah, it's so good for it. It's so moisturized. That's like one of my best, but I don't have it right now. Yeah, it's not that pricey, it's affordable. Then the 5th on this list of top 5 affordable face cream for caramel and dark skin would be vitamin C face cream. Yes, it's so nice. If you add the serum to this cream, you don't need to add the serum to this cream. Apply the serum on your face before you use this face cream, vitamin C face cream. They will be asking you, oh, where till they use on your face for those caramel beauties, those chocolate skin beauties. You will just be glowing. It's not going to whiten, it's just going to be making you glow. It's so nice. And why I would advise you to use the serum too is there are some people that have complained of breakouts and stuff like so, but I noticed that when I advised someone to use the serum before using the face cream, her face was good. Yes. So guys, that's that for this video. The top 5 affordable face cream for caramel and dark skin, guys. Any of these products you can lay your hands on. As far as you get the original, just know say you know get them wrong. Your skin go they glow, go they pop. Yes. Okay guys, let's not forget, if you've just been watching me without subscribing, please just click on that subscription button and that bell icon so that anytime my video can just pop up and then you will watch me. Don't forget to like. If you have any questions, please drop it down there. I will reply to all your questions. Hey, if you need anybody to sell cream for you, I dare here. Number 6 Aba Road, Ikote. Yes, pay us a visit. Yeah. Alright guys, see you on my next video. Bye.